I have enjoyed doing Aapki Adalat. You ask me who are the difficult people, who are the... See, Prime Minister Modi was easy to do. But say somebody like Salman Khan, very difficult to do. Salman Khan, if you see him giving interviews, you are talking to him, he's looking here, there, he's doing this here, and this here. His whole focus is not on the interviewer, not on the questions. He's somewhere else. He's looking here, not focused. It was a big challenge. When he came for the show.
I remember pink t-shirt.
Yeah. And we had a history with him. He had said few things about me. I had said few things about him. So we were at loggerheads. Shatrughan Sinha called me. He said, my daughter is featured in Dabangg 1. And if you invite Salman for your show, it will help the film. It will help Sonakshi. I said, I will very happily do it, but I don't think Salman will come for the show. He said, no, I'll bring him. He came in. And Salman walked into my office. Before the show, we normally have a little chat with the person. Is there anything that he has a problem with? He came like this. And he was standing. I told him, बैठिए साहब. बैठना क्या है sir? So I told him, I said, we should discuss something. Discuss क्या करना है sir? So I told him, I said, is there anything that you don't want me to ask you? कुछ भी पूछो sir. So I thought he's very hostile. So I told her too, I said, look, I can't record a show with somebody who's so hostile. And on the show, he is going to answer like this. It will become an unnecessary. Aapki Adalat, it's a very pleasant show. So she said, look, he's such a big star. He has come to your studio. Despite being hostile, you can't say no to him. So as a compromise, she suggested, so that he behaves on the show, she said, let Shatrughan Sinha be the judge on the show. So the judge who had come, I told him, please go home. I'll have Shatrughan as a judge.
Ritu.
And finally, we went to the studio. And in all those, you saw a glimpse of the show. There's a Katgara, normally the guest sits there. He stood there.
Yeah.
So I told him, I said, बैठिए. मैं बैठता नहीं sir. So I said, he as a film person knows कि आज shot नहीं बनेगा. So he said, sir, मैं जिस कोर्ट में जाता हूँ खड़ा रहता हूँ sir. आपका मैं तो बहुत कोर्ट में गया हूँ सर. और आपके एक कैटेगरी का सर ये जरा इसको ऊंचा कराइए इधर खड़ा होने के लिए. So I told शत्रुजी, I said, आप जरा उसको कहिए. He said, खामोश, मुल्जिम अपनी जगह पर बैठे. So he sat down. And slowly I started asking him. First time in his life, he talked about the Black Buck case. First time in his life, he talked about the accident, boat accident he had had. और फिर मैंने सोचा जब जवाब दे रहे, then I asked him about Aishwarya also. He answered. Then I asked him about Katrina also. He answered. And suddenly he realized, he said, sir, बहुत क्लास ले रहे हैं आप मेरी. तो मुझे, I said, you want to ask me something? Please do. He said, नहीं पूछना क्या है सर. He got up, came into the center. He said, sir ये बटन खोलिए, ये टाई थोड़ा ढीला करिए, सर बैठिए, सर पुशअप पोजीशन में आ जाइए. So we did push-ups. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Then he told me, he said, तगड़े हो सर आप तो. So then he left it there. And that show really became very, very big because first time he had focused and answered the questions which public wanted to know. So this is how it happens. If you are focused, if you are concentrated, then automatically things will happen.